Hey everybody, welcome back to the YouTube channel. So today I have for you is repairing a cart manager retrieval system, or actually the remote for the system. It's found at a lot of retailers, grocery stores, anywhere that has shopping carts uh, that have an automatic, well not automatic, but a non-manual way of retrieving the carts. So I'm actually shooting this using my Corsair headset and my Razer webcam. This is what I usually use to stream with and game with. If you guys want to see my gaming PC, at which I'm actually hoping to upgrade soon, just to make editing videos a little easier, we could, I don't know, shoot a video of upgrading your PC, what it is to build a PC, components, and all that stuff. If you'd like to see that. Outside of that, um, one thing I found funny, just starting YouTube, is most people, that I know, I'm like, hey, why don't you guys subscribe to the channel, leave a like, whatever. Trying to get to that, 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 hours of views, or whatever those numbers are. And I was actually going through my YouTube studio analytics and saw that 83%. You know what? I'm gonna pull it up. Yes. So here we go. Focus, focus. 83% not subscribed. That is mind-boggling to me. So that means 83% of the people that watch my videos aren't subscribed. So subscribe to the video. I mean, obviously you found me, might like the video. Hey, help me out. Subscribe to the video, leave a like. Um, that's just crazy. Like, I wonder where people are finding my videos. It's crazy. Hopefully, as the channel grows, I'll actually get to see like who my audience is and where it's coming from and like all that stuff. It's kind of interesting. So with the video for this cart manager retrieval, I actually had to. I'm gonna have to like dub this audio over the video because there was in the second video of it. There's actually copyrighted music playing on in the background, and I just don't feel like muting that whole thing. So I'm gonna start the video off here with my streaming stuff, and then I'm just gonna dub everything over onto the video. Once again, if you guys like the videos, subscribe to the channel, leave a like, and let's go ahead and get right into this. So here we have the Cart Manager XD. Like I said, this is found at a lot of retail establishments. This is the remote. Simple enough. You guys will probably see these wherever you work. This remote I actually have not had to repair yet. It's not as beat up as the other one. The thing about these remotes though is that they are expensive and they usually take quite a long time to come in. They're a couple $100 and they take a long time to get in. So here we have what you're going to need to repair. I showed you the remote, soldering iron, solder, and a Phillips head screwdriver. You can probably find all these tools at your local wherever for $10, maybe $15. Right here on the video, I'm showing you that round cap is actually for the battery removal and replacement. I found that it gets stripped out very easily, made of some kind of cheap plastic. So what I do to replace the batteries or repair it is I actually take out the 6 screws, and you can see the 6 screws right there. Take those out, makes it much easier to get into the remote. I was actually trying to do this one-handed and shoot with the GoPro. I didn't have a tripod or anything. I was at work, and I was like, "Oh yeah, I remember fixing the remote the other week. Let me shoot the video after I already repaired it. I should have shot it while I repaired it, but hey, we all make mistakes, and it's Wednesday, and I need to upload a video. So let's see, taking the screws off. Yep, I'm doing stuff. Model number of this remote is K9400. It's for the Gatekeeper Systems Cart Manager XD system. Pulling this back plate off is not all that difficult. Probably be a little bit easier if you had a Phillips head or not a Phillips head, a flathead. You pop it right off, and there you have the remote. So you can see the 2 batteries in there. At the top, you can see there's two pieces that actually contact the terminals right there. There's solder on the top of those that will actually break. That is more than likely what you're going to have to repair. Sometimes it'll just be the batteries. You pop them in, boom, boom, you're done. So right here, I'm going to show you the solder points. It's at the top of the terminal right there. Boom, boom. Those are the points that you need to solder. Sometimes it'll break on the other side of the logic board. That's going to be a little bit more difficult if you've never soldered before. But, it is what it is. You have to take out the logic board and that ribbon cable right there. And there's 3 screws to take off. But normally what's going to happen is right here at the top, you're going to have those 2 terminals where you need to repair them. That's where they break. The one on the right has 1 wire going to it. The one on the left has 2 wires going to it. So just make sure you wire it in the correct series. And again, this is for the gatekeeper systems. The model number is K9400. That's what the overall remote looks like. Once again, it's a gatekeeper systems. And what you'll see is it's not getting power, it's not moving, and the remote's just dead, no light. So it's almost always going to be the batteries need to be replaced, or those wires need to be resoldered. So just make sure you resolder those wires, and 9 out of 10 times you'll be good to go. Like I said, the tools for it, maybe 10, 15 bucks. Not expensive at all. Normally it's like super expensive to get a new remote ordered, and then the time it takes to get you to delivered. So a lot of times you're going to have, downtime of the machine. $10 repair instead of spending all that money. So there's the remote. There's the easiest way to repair it. And I hope you guys enjoyed the video.